am Sumalata, GMS High School, RP. If you like my videos, like it, share it and subscribe it. See these exercises in 7th class lesson C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was born in Calcutta. This is false. So write F in the bracket. The Compton effect was a discovery made by C.V. Raman. It is also false, and so put F in the bracket. Raman's mother was a college physics teacher. This is also false, and so write F in the bracket. Raman was an average student at school. This is also false. Raman studied how the drum could produce music. This is also false. So put F in the bracket. Raman spent only 200 rupees to win the Nobel Prize. That is true. So put T in the bracket. Raman was only 42 when he won the Nobel Prize. That is true. Okay. Write T in the bracket. The following sentences are from the lesson. Read them carefully and tick the correct meaning of the underlined word in each sentence. For the first one, his parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. Meaning of keen is eager, and so put tick at B. Okay. Next one, the world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. The meaning of hailed is admired, and so put tick at A. Okay. Next one, in his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. The meaning of mainly is primarily. So put tick at A. The British made Raman a knight of the British Empire. The meaning of made is appointed, and so put tick at A. Raman passed away on November 21st, 1970. The meaning of passed away is died. Okay. So put tick at B. Okay. Here is a list of common abbreviations. Write their full forms. BA Bachelor of Arts, AD Anno Domini, BC Before Christ, CM Chief Minister, MINISTER. Okay. MINISTER. CD Compact Disc, DVD Digital Video Disc, AM Anti-Meridian, PM Post-Meridian. Once again I tell you, BA Bachelor of Arts, AD Anno Domini, BC Before Christ, CM Chief Minister, CD Compact Disc, here PACT. Okay. DVD Digital Video Disc, AM Anti-Meridian, PM Post-Meridian. Look at the following with the verb and write the corresponding noun form. Okay. For the first one, enjoyed, enjoyment. Surprised, surprise. Here surprise is written, but only write surprise. Okay. For disappointed, disappointment. Okay. For worried, worry. Satisfied, satisfaction. Once again I tell you. Enjoyed, enjoyment. Surprised, surprise. Disappointed, disappointment. Worried, worry. Satisfied, satisfaction. Okay. Next, see this. Fill in the blanks with the suitable noun forms of the underlined words in each sentence. Here, shocked. For that, noun shock. Second one, relieved. For relieved, noun relief. Relieved, relief. Third one, excitement. For excited. Excited, excitement. Fourth one, honest, honesty. Honest, honesty. Okay. Write clearly in your notes. These are one word substitutes. Matching. Archaeology, the study of the cultures of the past. Archaeology, the study of the culture of the past. Physiology, the study of the bodies of living things. Physiology, the study of the bodies of living things. Psychology, the body of the mind. Geology, the study of the earth. Zoology, the study of the animals. Okay. Once again I tell you, archaeology, the study of the cultures of the past. Physiology, the study of the bodies of living things. Psychology, the study of the mind. Geology, the study of the earth. Zoology, the study of animals. Okay. Fill in the blanks with in, on and yet. Was born on 15th, 25th April in 2000. Was born on December 2nd. They live at. Before small places we use yet. Okay. In Prakasam district, because it is a large city, there we put in. They play games at school. Hot in May at their village. Spend their summer in Hyderabad at their uncle's house. Resides at High Court Colony in Hyderabad with his wife. Okay. Once again I tell you, was born on 25th April in 2000. Next line, was born on December 2nd, 2001. They live at a small village in Prakasam district. They play games at school. Very hot in May at their village. Their summer in Hyderabad at their uncle's house. Resides at High Court Colony in Hyderabad with his wife. Okay. Put the articles in the blanks. In 1987, M.S. Swaminathan was awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award. We dined yesterday at the Moria Sheraton Hotel. Tejaswini lent me an interesting book. My father is a school teacher. M.S. Swaminathan worked at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Rekha bought a long notebook yesterday. Sarvani is eating a mango now. Shravani is eating a mango now. Ganesh always carries an umbrella with him. Rambabu is an English teacher in a high school. Manjula and Shruti play the guitar well. Once again I tell all this. awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award. Second one, at the Maurya Sharan Hotel. Third one, lent me an interesting book. Fourth one, a school teacher. Fifth one, the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Rekha bought a long notebook yesterday. Shravani is eating a mango now. Ganesh always carries an umbrella with him. Rambabu is an English teacher in a high school. Manjula and Shruti play the guitar well. Okay. Write the correct sentences for the false ones. Okay. Read the lesson and write the correct sentences. Okay. Today it is enough.